class. So I'm Mr. Chris. I'll be taking you through the introduction to C programming. Introduction to C programming. When is today?
The 21st.
21st of April 2025. Okay. So in our class today, we'll discuss about the definition of C programming. These are our objectives that we should cover or lesson outcome. After the definition of C programming, we'll see the why learn C programming. And then we see a structure of how to write a C code or a C program. Structure or syntax of writing a C program. So my students, if I may ask, who can define for us what is a C program, or who knows anything about the C programming language? Anyone? You can ask your colleague. You can. Okay, madam. Define for us a C programming language.
It's a strongly associated. It's a middle level language of programming.
Okay, it's a middle level language. Any other definition? Maybe from this balance the gender, a male.
Can say it's a structural programming language.
A structural. Okay. A structural programming language. So, as our madam has told about the mid-level language, how many levels do we have in the programming language? We have three.
3.
One, we have the high level, and low level, and the mid.
Yes.
So, if anyone may ask, what is the difference between these three languages, these levels of languages? What differentiates them?
It is the complexity involved in handling the language. For example, for the law, it requires a lot of input to just space more information.
Okay, correct. As everyone has heard what Madam was saying, that with the low level, it has the highest level of complexity compared to the high level language. What about the middle level language? Okay. Any suggestion?
Average level.
It's like an average. It's in between the high level and the low level. So with the high level, it's easily readable with the human beings and are easily understood by people compared to the low level. Low level languages are easily understood by the machines. Can you get it? So these are programmers friendly. Like the structure of how they use most English that someone is can easily understand what the program entails. And this low level, the machine is easy to interpret this one than the high level language. So we can see why do we learn C. Okay. So let us see with the why do we need to learn this C, or what are some of the advantages of learning C compared to the other languages? As we have been told, our language is of high level, meaning that it's easy,
flexible, and it's the foundation of all other programs.
correct.
Languages.
Yes. So it's flexible, easy,
And it's foundational.
and it's foundational. Yes. As you can see, the C language was used early in Unix. Was used to code Unix. Unix is for the Linux system. So okay, and the other point maybe.
You can say
Yes.
C++. C is light.
It's light.
So most programs written in C are fast.
Are fast. Yes, that's correct. It's fast in learning, or fast in compiling. That's the correct term to use here. Okay, so we can write this down as why we learn C. The definition of C, hope everyone got it. Yes. So we see the difference between the high level language and the low level, whereby we say that the high level languages are programmer friendly. The high level languages are programmer friendly, but the low level are machine friendly. Okay. Another thing about the high level is that they are less memory efficient. As you can see, the code it entails using some functions which make the code look small, so it's so efficient to use. And then we have it's portable compared to the low level. The low level languages are non-portable. So we have our first C. We just draw here the syntax of writing our C language. Our structure for writing the C, or the syntax of C. We start by first calling the hashtag include. stdio.h, and then we start our int main, and then here is our body, and then we return 0. Yes. So this is our body of the C. We start by first including the files we want. This is the header file. Like here we have included the file standard input output, meaning that this file will help us when we want to input and output files, maybe using our keyboard and displaying it. This is our int main. This shows that our program, initialization of our program, and here is where we can write our code. So, for example, if we were to print anything here, we write our code here, like hashtag include standard.h, and then int main. Here is where we have told our compiler that here is where we want to write our code. So we write here what we want to our compiler to do? We tell it print F. Then we put the colon, then we write here what we need our printer to put on our screen. We say then after a statement, we terminate it with the semicolon. Is it?
Yes.
Yes. And then we close here. Then we return 0. Return 0 tells our compiler that our program is, we have come to an end of our program and it returns null. You see it? Okay. Any question from there? Any question about the syntax? Or maybe about the body?
Yes, I think you have misplaced one curly bracket.
Or this one?
The one after. What?
After body.
After body. After body. It is that one. It is should be there.
Okay, thank you for that. So, in your free time, I will give you an assignment for you to discuss about. I need you to define for me. I need you to go and search more about the header files. Give me some other header files which you can use. Like for the maths, calculation of maths is math. .i. You like that? Yes. Yes. So we discuss some. So the question is discuss the header files. 5 of them. So I need at most 5 header files, giving the how they function, how they operate in the, and what the essence of them in their body. Okay, thank you for your time.